Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to place order for an item on 1688 Chinese shopping app. This is going to be a complete China importation guide. So let's get started. So recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here. I'm going to open up my WhatsApp right here, and you can see this person here asked me to place order for all these cosmetics products right here. These are cosmetics products for everyone that wants to learn how to import or ship cosmetics product from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. This video right here might be useful for you. So you can see all the product picture right here, and the screenshot has the case it is. So just like everything you see on my WhatsApp right here. Okay, so we want to see how we can easily place order for all these cosmetics products on 1688 Chinese shopping. Just like so. So you can see all the product links right here. So these are all the product links. About 12 different stores right here, which comprise of cosmetics products from different stores. So let's get started. The very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on the product link. I'm going to click on here now to open up the product link right here from my WhatsApp. I will click on the product link. It's going to load up direct to the 1688 app, just like so. And then to make this tutorial short and straight to the point, I have already had all the products to cart. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to view my cart. However, if you do not know how to add products to cart from different supplier, you can check the video out on my channel. I have made a lot of step-by-step video tutorial on how you can add the product to cart. So just like what you see right here, these are all cosmetics products right here. So next thing we want to do is to see how we can select all the products from the cart and proceed to the payment in 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or IDFish, you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to ship and import products from China using 1688 Chinese app. So with that being said, let's get started. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and select the product one after the other. So I'm paying for this, buying this, I'm buying this, I'm buying this, I'm buying this, I'm buying all this from a single store. I'm buying this, I'm buying this, and I'm buying this. Just like so. Next thing I need to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. So just like so, next thing we want to do right here is to simply scroll down right here. Scroll down, continue to scroll down and check all the preview right here. Just like so. Okay. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and then simply click on here to see your means of payment. And I'm going to make payment with my Alipay. So I'm going to go ahead and select Alipay right here. Having select Alipay, I'm paying the sum of 1,096.56 yuan to purchase all these cosmetics products from different stores on 1688. Next thing I need to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. To allow the Alipay to connect, just like so, you can see it right here. I'm paying the sum of 1,096.56 yuan. And the next thing we want to do is to make sure the Alipay is checked. And the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. What I'm going to do is to enter the payment password to complete my payment. Now payment done successful, just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. I will screenshot proof of payment. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to close this pump up. Then I have to refresh. You can see all the product is no longer found here in my cart again. Next thing I need to do is to go ahead and simply click on here to go to my profile. Continue to go back to my profile. For me to visit my profile, I need to click on here and refresh my profile right here. All the products we just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check them out. You can see them all right here. It's that simple. Lastly, I will go ahead and send a proof of payment to the owner of this particular goods right here. I'm going to exit from my 1688 and open up my WhatsApp right here. You can see all the product links right here. These are all links to the products right here. And then you can see the product picture right here. Okay, these are product picture sample bags, just like what you see right here. Okay. Lastly, I will go ahead and make sure I click on gallery right here. Gallery, select proof of payment and say payment page and send. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay your supplier 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, IDFees, JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.